Hey guys, this is EAS guy back at it again with another EAS scenario. This is a work of fiction. Any relation to real-life events is purely coincidental. This presentation contains loud sounds that may be disturbing. This presentation also contains valid emergency alert system tones. Misuse of emergency alert system tones is a felony and can put the offender in really bad legal trouble. The content creator will not be held responsible for anyone's misuse of valid emergency alert system tones. Viewer discretion is advised.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the White House, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please do not turn off your radio or television as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. Nuclear war is imminent. I repeat, nuclear war is imminent. At 3:10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected 15 Russian nuclear bombs heading towards NATO cities. These cities include Los Angeles, USA, Seattle, USA, Anchorage, USA, San Francisco, USA, New York City, USA, Miami, USA, Boston, USA, Houston, USA, Phoenix, USA, Washington, D.C., USA, Paris, France, Berlin, Germany, London, UK, Warsaw, Poland, and Rome, Italy. All residents within a 50-mile radius from the named American cities are advised to seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions and attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It only takes 1 minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. If no fallout shelter is available, go to an interior room of a sturdy building with as little doors and windows as possible. Take 2 weeks of food, water, medical supplies, clothing, a weapon to defend yourself, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio for your stay at the shelter. A representative of President Joe Biden will speak over the emergency alert system. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse.
Ladies and gentlemen, a representative of the President.
I wish I could start this with good morning, but now's not the time for something like that. I am a representative of President Joe Biden since he is being taken to a safe place at this time. At 3:10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, NORAD detected 10 Russian missiles to strike the USA and 5 others in Europe. This was totally uncalled for, and President Biden authorized 20 nuclear missiles to strike Russian major cities. Nuclear war was only in movies, but now it's a reality. Do not waste any time, this is definitely the worst day in human history. Thank you, and try to have a good day.
That was a message from the representative of the president. We now return to the emergency alert system.
The nuclear missiles are expected to strike USA cities in 10 minutes. Russians trying to invade the American homeland is likely. If this does happen, and a Russian troop sees you, only attack if you have a weapon to do so and know you'll be successful. If not, put your hands behind your head and do not make any sudden movements. Stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
That was another mock EAS scenario by that EAS guy. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe and share to a friend so more people can see this. Do not follow any instructions from this video. Do not use this video as a prank either. Thank you. Have a great day.